Welcome, my dear learners, to another exciting episode on Civil Tutorials. In this lesson, we shall be looking at the exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. But before that, as usual, let's look at the lesson objective for the day. So by the end of the lesson, you, my students, should be able to state and use the exterior angle theorem. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to this very channel for more updates. So let's start. So we are looking at the exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. Now before that, let's look at this diagram. You all agree with me that this diagram is a triangle because it has three sides and then three interior angles. Now the angles within the triangle are what we refer to as the interior angles. So from the diagram, our interior angles are angle A, angle B, angle C. These three angles are our interior angles. Now the angles outside the triangle are called the exterior angles. So angle E, angle D, angle F are all exterior angles because they are found outside of the triangle. Good. Now the exterior angle theorem states that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior angles opposite to the exterior angle. Now we understand and know where exterior angles are and then where interior angles can be found from here. So looking at the diagram, our interior angles are angle A, angle B, angle D. These three angles are our interior angles. So we can add this one to it. Our interior angle. And then our exterior angle is angle C. Now this theorem is saying that angle B plus angle A is equal to angle C. Angle A plus angle B is equal to what? C. That is the exterior angle theorem. But remember that this angle is adjacent to the exterior angle. So we can't say that this angle plus this angle is equal to C. No. The angle must be opposite and remote, far away from the exterior angle. So the two opposite interior angles are B and C. Are you getting the concept? Not B and D, nor A and D, but A and then B. So let's come here. Now let's take that this is our exterior angle, which is D. Which of these two interior angles are opposite to the exterior angle? So you can see that the interior angle opposite to angle D, which is the exterior angles, are angle B and angle A. So from the exterior angle, we can say that angle A plus angle B is equal to angle D. Are you following? Okay, now let's assume that our exterior angle is F. What do you think is going to be the interior angle opposite to the exterior angle F? I guess you are saying that the interior angles opposite to the exterior angle F are B and C. Good, so we can say that angle B plus angle C is equal to angle F, which is what the exterior angle. Also, let's assume that our exterior angle is angle E. In applying the exterior angle theorem, what are you going to write? Now we know that the two opposite interior angle opposite to the exterior angle are A and C. So we can say that angle A plus angle C is equal to angle E. Good. I guess you are following and you are getting the concept. Now that we understand the exterior angle theorem, we are going to take examples and then see how best we can apply this concept in solving questions on triangle. Good. So we have our example, and then we have to find the value of x and then angle ABD. So from this very question, we have to find the value of x. Good. Now, realize that this is a triangle with an exterior angle where the x is, where the x is an exterior angle. Good. So we can apply the exterior angle theorem to find the value of x. Now it says that the sum of the two remote interior angle is equal to what? The exterior angle. So this plus this is equal to x. Very, very simple. So you can say that 28 degrees plus 72 is equal to x. So you can say that 28 plus 72, 100 degrees is equal to x. Therefore, our x is 100 degrees. Very, very simple. Now, we can also apply the interior angle of a triangle to find this very angle. And then we subtract it from 180 to get the value of x. Let's try that one. So we know that, let's call this angle, let's say A. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle should give us 180. So we are going to get, so we have, or can get 28 plus 72 plus A is equal to 180 degrees. This plus this will give us 100 plus A is equal to 180. So you can say our A is equal to 80 degrees. Good. So that is A. A is equal to 80 degrees. Now we know that angle in a straight line sum up to 180. Therefore, angle A, which is this part, plus angle X is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A, we solve it and then we add 80 degrees. So we have 80 plus angle X is equal to 180. So you can see that angle X is equal to 180 minus what? 80. Angle X is equal to what? 100 degrees. Very, very simple, you see. So the exterior angle theorem provides a shortcut way in finding values of angles in a triangle with an exterior angle included. Very, very simple. Now you try your hands on this and I'll write the next example. Okay, so I hope you were able to find the value of x and then angle ABD. Let's solve it together to see if you are on the right path. So you know that from the exterior angle, this angle plus this angle is equal to the exterior angle. So we know that x plus 17 plus 2x plus 7 is equal to the exterior angle. Good. So we have x plus 2x, we have 3x plus 17, 7, we have 24 is equal to 9x. So grouping like terms, we are going to get 24 is equal to 9x minus 3x. So we can say that 9x minus is equal to 24. Dividing both sides by 6, we have our x is equal to 4. So it means our x is equal to 4. Now to find angle ABD, angle ABD, angle ABD. Oh, sorry, it's supposed to be angle ABC. Sorry. ABC. So we have to find angle ABC. Now angle ABC is this very angle. Okay, so you can say that angle ABC is equal to the whole of this 2x plus 7. That is angle ABC, this angle. Now we already know that angle x is what? 4. So we just have to substitute 4 in place of x here. So we are going to get angle ABC is equal to 2. Then we have 4 plus 7. So we have 8 plus 7. We have 15. So angle ABC is equal to 15 degrees. Very, very simple. So suppose you are being asked to find angle BCD. You just have to multiply 9 by what? 4 to get angle BCD. Is that clear? Very, very simple. Now let's look at the last example. So looking at this example, we have an exterior angle which is 153 and then interior angles. So we can apply the exterior angle theorem on this very diagram. Are you following? So we can say that this angle plus this angle is equal to the exterior angle. It will work. And we can also use the interior angle of a triangle to find the value of x. So because we are dealing with exterior angle theorem, let's use the exterior angle theorem. So this angle plus this angle is equal to 153. So we know that x minus 4 plus 2x plus 10 is equal to 153. So removing the bracket, we are going to get x minus 4 plus 2x plus 10 is equal to 153. X plus 2x, we have 3x minus 4 plus 10, we have 6 is equal to 153. Now what we are going to do is we send 6 to the other side of the equation and we are going to get 3x is equal to 153 minus 6. Now we are going to get 3x is equal to 153 minus 6. We have 147. Now we are looking for x, so we divide both sides by 3, both sides by 3. 3 into 3. Now 3 into 147, we have 49. So our x is equal to 49 degrees. Very, very simple. You can also apply the sum of interior angle of a triangle to find the value of x. And that is going to be this plus this plus this is equal to 180. We are going to arrive at what? 49. So these are a list of questions that are prepared for you. Kindly pause the video, write them down, and then you try your hands on it. This brings us to the end of today's lesson. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to this very channel for more updates. See you next week. Bye bye.